The street is silent, bathed in the soft glow of distant lamp posts. It's a peaceful suburban night, except for one house at the end of the block. Its windows are dark, but a single light inside blinks with an unnatural, jarring rhythm. You pull out your phone, the screen's light illuminating your hand as you start recording. The pattern isn't random, it's deliberate. A staccato pulse cutting through the darkness. You focus, trying to capture every flicker, every pause. The air grows cold, and a shiver runs down your spine. Drawn by an unnerving curiosity, you find yourself walking towards the house. The lawn is overgrown, the paint is peeling, and a thick layer of dust covers the windows. It's clearly been empty for years. Yet, as you get closer, the light inside continues its rhythmic flashing, a lonely beacon in a desolate home. Back under a streetlight, you play the recording. You open a Morse code translator app on your phone, its interface stark against the night. The dots and dashes from the light slowly convert into letters. One word appears, then another, forming a chillingly personal message. Your name. A knot of pure dread tightens in your stomach. Your gaze snaps back to the house, its light still blinking. Quick cuts flash in your mind. The dark window, the translated words on your screen, your own wide, terrified eyes reflected back at you. Who is in there? How do they know you? The blinking intensifies, faster and more frantic. The message repeats over and over and over. Your name. Your name. Your name. It's a digital scream echoing in the silent street. Aimed directly at you. You stumble backward, phone slipping from your grasp. You can't look away from the window, from the relentless, flashing light. It continues its silent call as you retreat into the shadows, leaving the mystery unsolved and a terrifying question hanging in the air.